Making Sense, Improving Personal Finances. Creating a budget. A budget is really just making a spending plan to make sure you have the money for the things you want to do. To get started, you'll need to know how much you have to spend so you can decide how you'll spend it. Take a look at your paycheck. Your take-home pay is what you have after taxes and other deductions. Do you have other income like tips or bonuses? If you do, include it. Next, figure out your expenses. They probably fall into several categories: home, transportation, debt, and personal. Don't forget about things you may not pay every month like car insurance, vehicle registrations, and repairs. Now compare your take-home pay to your expenses. Are you spending everything you earn, or do you have a cushion? If you had an unexpected expense like a car repair or a medical bill, could you cover it? If not, decide what things you could change so you can pump up your savings. Now that you're all set up, when you want to add something new like an upgraded streaming service, you'll know what you can afford. It's a good idea to track how you're doing with your budget for a few months. You'll probably need to update it from time to time to keep a good handle on your finances. Now you're budgeting like a pro. Navy Federal Credit Union, Equal Housing Lender. This video is intended to provide general information and shouldn't be considered legal, tax, or financial advice. It's always a good idea to consult a tax or financial advisor for specific information on how certain laws apply to your situation and about your individual's financial situation. NFCU, copyright 2019, federally insured by NCUA.